Having the right laptop can completely change your user experience. In this video, I'm breaking down the top 5 best budget laptops so you'll never have to suffer through slow, glitchy laptop usage again. One of the biggest issues is that a laptop might work great for your friend, but might not be the best for you because some laptops work better for different situations. This is why I made sure to include options for all types of situations, so regardless of whether you're a student, a professional, or anything in between, I'll have the perfect affordable laptop for you. All the links to find the best prices on all products mentioned in this video will be in the description below. The products mentioned in this video are in no exact order, so be sure to stay tuned till the very end so you don't miss anything. First up on our list is the Acer Aspire 5, my choice for the best budget laptop for most people. The Acer Aspire 5 is a solid entry-level laptop and is the best budget laptop for most people in my opinion, with a solid build, excellent battery life, and good performance. So generally, you're not going to get a cutting-edge or mind-blowing design for this price, and while the Aspire 5 has a pretty bare-bones look, it is sturdy and gets the basics right. Because of how robust this laptop is, it is a superb option for frequent travelers, not just because it has a solid build that can easily survive bumps in your backpack, but it's also fairly portable. At a weight of just 3.7 pounds and a size of 0.71 by 12.9 by 8.8 inches, the Aspire 5 is lightweight and easy to store in most backpacks. The 14-inch screen on the Aspire 5 provides a maximum resolution of 1920 by 1080, but the panel is bright and clear with great viewing angles. The laptop also comes with a good 720p webcam if you plan on using the machine for work and you frequently do online business meetings. While the built-in speakers are pretty good for watching YouTube or Netflix, they're not ideal if you're an audiophile looking for a laptop to listen to high-quality music. If you're looking for a budget laptop with great speakers, then the HP Laptop 17 might be a better choice. The Aspire 5 model also sports an i5 processor with an integrated Iris Xe graphics card, which provides respectable gaming and video editing performance. Now, naturally, the laptop will struggle if you try gaming with recent games at a higher resolution or if you edit in 4K. However, the Aspire 5 offers outstanding performance for the price range. The battery life is also surprisingly good and can last up to 6.5 hours with intensive usage and a full charge. Acer's Aspire 5 is a fantastic budget option for most people and users who want to get their foot in the door of laptops without breaking the bank. With its highly competitive price, solid build, and respectable performance, the Aspire 5 is a spectacular machine. In the next spot on my list is the Lenovo IdeaPad 3, my choice for the best budget laptop under $500. So if you're looking for an incredible laptop under $500, the Lenovo IdeaPad 3 is hard to beat with solid performance, sturdy chassis, and a staggering keyboard. So performance-wise, the Idea 3 is mind-blowing for the price range. In fact, it actually sports an AMD Ryzen 5 5500U processor, 8GB of DDR4 RAM, 256GB of SSD storage, and an integrated Radeon graphics card. All of these numbers translate into extremely solid performance for productivity, content creation, and even gaming. Now, unlike most affordable laptops, the Idea 3 stands out with thrilling performance, and it's a fantastic entry-level choice for both semi-professionals who do lots of video editing and for gamers who want to play with consistent 60 frames per second at 1080p resolution. When it comes to build quality, the Idea 3 is nothing short of incredible and arguably one of the best affordable laptops that I have ever tested. The keyboard is extremely comfortable, which is a big plus if you're a writer or use the keyboard frequently throughout the day. The touchpad is also incredibly responsive, and the overall build quality is impressive. The battery is fantastic for a laptop in this price range and taps out about after 10.5 hours, which is usually more than enough time for most tasks. When it comes to the IdeaPad 3's panel, while it generally has good colors and good brightness, the screen could have crisper colors. On top of that, the screen is just a 14-inch one, so if you're looking for an affordable option with a larger and more colorful screen, the HP Laptop 17, which I will discuss later, might be the better choice. But the Lenovo IdeaPad feels and looks premium. With its snappy performance and sturdy build, it's hard to find a better option for under $500 for a laptop. The next laptop on my list is the Lenovo IdeaPad Flex 5i, my choice for the best budget 2-in-1 laptop. With its insane battery life, snappy performance, and comfortable keyboard, the Lenovo IdeaPad Flex 5i is probably the best budget 2-in-1 laptop. The Flex 5i is especially good for those who work frequently from home due to its excellent performance. You can use most of your productivity software and apps without a single stutter or slowdown. Now, regarding specs, the Idea 5i has an AMD Radeon 7 integrated graphics card, 8GB of RAM, 512GB of SSD storage, and an AMD Ryzen 5 4500U processor. This makes it the perfect machine for work, movie watching, and some light gaming. The day-to-day performance is smooth and enjoyable. Thanks to the incredibly powerful Ryzen 5, the Idea 5i runs most productivity apps with no lags or screen freezing and works flawlessly even if you need to open 10+ tabs at a time for work. The IdeaPad Flex 5i is a design masterpiece, and for the affordable price, you'll hardly find a better designed laptop. It has soft touch metallic coating, the IdeaPad 5i looks and feels absolutely premium. On top of that, the 2-in-1 laptop feels very sturdy and is also as portable as it gets, with it weighing only 3.3 pounds. The IdeaPad Flex 5 comes with a 14-inch display with a resolution of 1920 by 1080 pixels and 250 nits of brightness. The colors on the IdeaPad are crisp and the display is decent overall. However, the brightness is not enough if you love working outside. But the battery life is outstanding on the IdeaPad Flex 5, and by far it's the best I've tested on an affordable laptop of its size, and even better than the Aspire 5. The 2-in-1 laptop can last up to 10 hours of consistent work with a full charge, which is actually astonishing if you factor in how powerful this machine is. On top of that, the Flex 5 supports fast charging, which can take the laptop from 10% to 100% battery in just 90 minutes. Lenovo's IdeaPad Flex 5 is arguably the best 2-in-1 affordable laptop for writers and work-from-home professionals who love a snappy, premium-built, and portable machine. If you're interested in updated pricing on any of the items mentioned in this video, be sure to check out the links below. Prices update on these products almost daily with sales and general price drops, so if you want to find the most updated information, check the description. If you find this video helpful, please help out the channel by giving us a like and subscribing. Next on the list is the Acer Aspire 3, my choice for the best overall budget laptop. If you're looking for a large screen, a comfortable keyboard, and horsepower for productivity and semi-professional work, the Acer Aspire 3 is the best overall budget laptop. Design-wise, the Aspire 3 is a very bare-bone laptop and has nothing too flashy when it comes to materials and finishing. The computer is also quite heavy, at 4.3 pounds, and thick, making it a poor choice for those looking to buy a portable option. However, the Aspire 3 is also incredibly sturdy because of its thickness. In fact, the hinges that hold the display feel very robust and keep the screen in position with no wobble. The keyboard on the Aspire 3 has very well-spaced keys and feels premium, making the Acer Aspire 3 a fantastic choice for writers who are looking for an affordable option. The Aspire 3 sports a large 15.6-inch screen, which is ideal for those who need lots of space for productivity or to comfortably watch movies or TV shows. Although the Aspire 3 screen is large, the native resolution is quite underwhelming at 1366 by 768 pixels, and the brightness could have been improved for a screen of this size. The speakers are pretty good for general usage, but if you're looking for a high-quality sound, the Acer Aspire 3 might disappoint you. The performance is where the Aspire 3 really shines, with its Ryzen 5 2500U processor, 8GB of RAM, 256GB of SSD storage, and an AMD Radeon Vega 8 graphics card. With this much horsepower, the Aspire 3 handles most productivity work with extreme ease, and on top of that, thanks to the powerful processor and graphics card, you'll run most games at 30 FPS and 720p flawlessly. The battery isn't mind-blowing and lasts no more than 5 hours and 30 minutes on average, so if you're looking for a device that can last you a full day of work, the IdeaPad Flex 5 is a much better option. Acer's Aspire 3 is a solid machine with spectacular performance for the price and a robust keyboard for productivity work. And the final laptop on my list is the HP Laptop 17, which you've heard before in this video, my choice for the best display budget laptop. Most affordable laptops have incredibly dull displays. However, the HP 17 pairs an extremely sharp, colorful screen with spectacular power under its chassis. If you're looking for an inexpensive laptop with a big screen that doesn't compromise the colors, brightness, and resolution, the HP 17 is the best choice for you. The display on the HP 17 is a 17 inches 1920 by 1080 OLED panel that is one of the brightest screens that I've ever seen on a laptop at this price range. The brightness is staggering, which makes it a perfect solution for those who love working outside, and on top of that, the OLED screen has vivid and crisp colors, making it an ideal pick for those who love watching TV shows, movies, or online content. Although the design of the HP 17 is pretty basic, it looks professional, and it's also quite portable for a laptop of this size. In fact, the HP 17 weighs 4.58 pounds, which is pretty hefty, but also lighter than most of the 17-inch laptops on the market. The keyboard on the HP 17 is also surprisingly good, and the keys are satisfying to press. Typing on the keyboard is extremely comfortable, and if you write a lot for work, the HP 17 is 100% the right choice. Spec-wise, the HP 17 isn't the most powerful machine out there, with its AMD Athlon Gold 3150U, 4GB of RAM, and an integrated Radeon graphics card, but after a few tests, the HP 17 can handle daily productivity tasks and general content creation exceptionally well if you consider the basic specs. On top of that, if you want to spend the extra dollar, the more powerful models of the HP 17 have a Ryzen 5 processor, which will be more than enough for productivity and light gaming. The battery life is actually pretty mind-boggling for such a large screen on a laptop. The HP 17 taps out after 11 hours of continuous use, which makes it an even better choice than the IdeaPad Flex 5 for battery quality. With its incredibly colorful and bright panel, the HP 17 is the best affordable laptop for screen quality. You'll be hard-pressed to find a better budget laptop for the price. If you guys like this video or learned something, please give it a like, and be sure to check out the description for links to find the most up-to-date pricing on all our products mentioned in this video. That's all. Till next time.